if you're watching this video, there's a very, very strong chance that you are suffering from diabetes either type 1 or type 2, right? Type 1 is a very tough disease. It basically means that your pancreas is shut down all types of insulin and pancreatic enzymes. And that is a very, very tough disease to deal with. But naturally you can get results with helping the disease to be not as bad for you as it normally is when you're treating with a drug. Now, the second thing is diabetes type 2, I've helped to reverse it in many, many cases. And so today, when I talk about a particular vegetable that I found to be extremely useful, not just for diabetes, but also for arthritis, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and joint pain. And that vegetable is called organic celery. And I do stress organic celery. Do not take ordinary celery, because ordinary celery is cheaper, but is actually been tested properly, and it's in the 10th most poison vegetables. If you buy the organic celery, it's dearer, but you're going to get value for your money. Why is celery so effective? Organic celery. One of the main factors in celery that helps a lot is a micro mineral or trace mineral called silica. That is where it's rich. Now, I recommend you, if you've got diabetes, that you eat some organic celery, 2 or 3 stalks a day, and eat it with about a spoonful of almond butter. Almond butter is alkaline, celery is alkaline, and that will help your liver, it will help your kidneys, and will help your pancreas, and will help your thyroid. If you mix the celery with a bit of seaweed, you'll also get iodine for the thyroid. And when all these organs are lining up, the thyroid, the pancreas, the liver, the kidneys, the spleen, when they all line up, you definitely get a reduction in your diabetes. So, if you found this video useful, please share with others and subscribe to our channel. On the right of the word subscribe, there's a bell icon. Click on the bell icon and select all. You'll then receive notifications each time we release a new video, which will be on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. Now, as I complete this video, I recommend you look at the comments below and you ask for this book. I wrote this book over 3 months. It's a booklet. It's 3 months of research with 40 or 50 years of experience beforehand. And it's the best natural ways to treat diabetes by Ronald Delary Simpson.